Are you ready for your mini bounce later?
Yeah! Hi guys. Daddy!
Ready? Kailangan namin mag-change ng lights dito guys. Anong bulb? Ito ay working. This one is not. So, palitan natin ng bulb.
We're getting coffee. Hi guys. We're putting my green socks. And guy said he gave me that Hi guys. Hey, today we're going to go to mini bounce and do very fun stuff. No, so we're gonna go mini bounce and we're going to play with some chalk downstairs.
Wanna face the camera and Celine? She's like, oh no.
Mama, bring the water.
Morning!
Mama, bring the
Oh, we'll bring the water, okay. Oh, we're not going until later. Oh, you have to eat breakfast pa.
No.
No.
No, don't eat my socks.
You don't eat your socks. You don't eat your socks muna. Okay.
Don't eat my socks. Oh! He's the line bag. I don't know how to stick this.
Look at some banana.
Do
You cannot do it.
it.
Mama help, okay?
Well, that did it for you. I got that.
You are my sunshine.
Where's my
Daddy's eating
mom?
yummies.
Where's my mom?
You're making you one.
Where?
When's going?
Where, mom?
This one is yours.
Dad?
This one.
That's mine. Saw you. I took care of my sunshine today.
Yeah. You're a very good singer, you are, Lenny. You're a good singer? You are my sunshine.
Hi, guys. I gave you one, Mama. No.
Oh, look, you're holding two.
Nothing.
No.
She's here.
I can see. You
No.
cheeky girl.
I'll go once. I'll go once.
You still
Can
have
you
two
give
in
me
your
a
hands.
pancake there? My cake, give me another pancake. I don't have any more.
You silly girl.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. So now we are going to open this big guy right here. I figured I could carry this. Hey!
It's too heavy, ate.
Carry it.
I-open namin to
Remy.
today, guys. Ito yung ating ALKANSYA. So, every time na may coins ako, nilalagay ko dyan. And last time, sinabi ko ka, kasi meron kaming ganito last time eh. Tapos, inopen namin nung pumunta kami ng Pinas. So, sabi ni Ate Paris, are we going to the Philippines now? Kasi i-open na namin to. Kasi nung nag-start ako dito, sabi ko din na i-open natin to kasi mag-save tayo para bumalik tayo ng Pinas. As if naman malaki yung naman ito. But ngayon, i-open ko lang kasi lagay natin sa bangko. Pambayad.
Drink it out. Drink it out.
You drink it. Oh. Pambayad sa mga babayarin. So, you ready, girls?
Yes.
How much you reckon is inside this?
I'm going to 23.
What, 23? $23?
123.
123? Okay. How much you reckon, honey?
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5. Oh, shh.
I think she means a number.
3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll see, okay? I'm not too sure. Okay, so yours is 123. Hers is 345. Mine would be 500. I'd go 500. Alright, let's go find out. Ay, naku. Makarami nitong i-count guys. Tignan nyo. Tapos alam nyo ba, meron kaming bago. Okay, open na namin yan. Ilagay na namin sa bag. Ito yung in-start namin. Tingnan nyo. Ay, sala. Hang on lang. Put it here lang. See? See the difference?
Bigger.
Bigger.
Different numbers. There's no more.
Yes, Baba. That one's got nothing in it. We'll open that one, okay?
I'll open this one. This is for 100 things. So guys, it's moment of truth.
Moments of truth. Look at this.
Let's go, big love. Mommy, I got another one. Mommy, I got another one.
You got other one.
Mommy, I got one. Oh, another one.
May 20 pesos pa, oh.
Let's go more.
Oh my goodness, wow.
Actually, change my mind. I feel like it's 123.
123, you reckon?
Mama, open mine. 125. Open mine.
This.
Mama, open
Honey, we can open this one lang. That's a new one.
thousand.
Look at this. So, match, mix to siya. May $2, $1, mga, ano.
$10, $50.
Oh, wow. So, we're gonna count them
When?
and see kung magkano yung naipon.
I'm gonna do that in green.
You see, this is $2, right? One. So, this one, 5 of this is already $10. That's $10.
Oh,
See,
mommy,
marami pa. Ooh, I'm excited.
have $100. Mommy. Sorry. Sorry, mommy.
It's okay. Okay. Now, careful lang. You might drop it.
Why
Put the $2 here.
why did you put this inside? This is
Yeah, I
my
know.
money.
And put the $1 there. Separate them. See, that's all the $2. That's the $1. Okay.
How much is this? Is this $1? Is this $1?
2.
$1. Is this $1? $1. $1. $1. This way. $1. Just go push my shirt on. $1. All these. 25. 25.
Pupunta kasi kami mamaya sa Carindale para sa mini bounce. Maglaro yung mga bata. So, naisipan ko, i-open natin ito para dalhin na natin sa bank.
23, 24.
Para
25.
safe na siya sa bank. Totoo nga naman talaga, guys. Pag may
a small one.
sinusok, may marulukot. Yeah.
I have a small one. 27.
No ones. Anak, make it 10.
I have the small ones. I have the small ones, Mom.
Like this, see? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this,
Mom, I
Baba.
did it. Mom, I
That's
did
good.
it. I did it.
$10. Make it
Yeah,
10.
I did it.
Wow, beautiful, honey.
1, 2.
Tingnan nyo, may 10 pesos pa. Galing pa ng Pinas. Yan, 10 pesos.
2.
Oh, may 20 pa. Halilak pa. Madawat pa ba ni sa Pilipinas? Karon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mommy, so like this. Put in 5, then 5, then 5.
10. Make it 10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. See? Ito na yung naano ko. $10 each pundok.
2, 3.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that's 50. That's 100. So, that's 100 already. And look, meron pa.
So,
$10 each. Tapos yung isa,
Yeah, Mommy,
awat-awat. Look! Oh my goodness.
40.
That's amazing, Lily. Good job.
Let's do it again. 6, 17.
May mga ano pa dito guys. Nagagandahan ako sa mga coins dito. Tingnan nyo, may ganyan sa likod ano. Ito yung $1, tapos $2, and then 20 cents, 50 ito. Tapos 10.
Nice. How much is this?
I'm not sure, honey. Did you put 10?
Yeah.
Then that's $10. Ito, oh, yung may ano sa likod, design. Alam niyo bang may mga nagko-collect din ng mga coins?
Yeah.
Minsan nga, ano eh, may bumibili ba? Ganyan yung likuran. Yung iba kasi plain lang. Pero ito siya, tingnan nyo.
No, mommy.
May mga
Mommy.
sa likuran. Good job, Palingling.
9, 10. 1, 2,
Ito, 2, 4, 5.
Joey.
50, so that's 250. Ito pa lang, 250. Actually, 300. Kasama ka, Ate Paris. Meron pa. So, I think I'm gonna win, honey. I'm the closest.
Why is there a sticker here?
Who put that there?
I didn't. I don't need it.
Lahat ng silver coins for Lainey. Look! Wow!
4.
Have a look!
I got another one.
Wait, what can't be?
8.
It's 100, 200, 300, 400. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 500, yeah. I won! It's over 500.
2.
Well done, Mommy.
Thank you, Daddy.
1.
Yay! It's got more coins here.
3.
Good girls. Very good saving.
4.
High five, Mama. High five, Mama. Very good saving. Good job.
7.
3 o'clock. Jump. Jump. 1, 2, ready. That's okay. Mama's holding you. Wow! Good job. Wait for Mama. Hang on. Here. Daming chichiburitsi ni Ate Paris. Uy! Close the door, please. Dito kami sa...
I see my friends.
Yeah, Carindale Shopping Center, guys. Dalhin ko itong dalawa sa Play Center. So, mini bounce. Put it in the bag. Ay, Nini, stay here na. This side. Put it in the bag, please. So, excited nang maglaro. Very singot. Pero ang ginaw-ginaw na dito. So, mawawala na yung pawis ngayon. Hold, Mama. 1, 2, ready? Jumping! This side. There you go.
Hi. Hi, guys.
What are you eating?
Going upstairs.
Hey, what are you eating? Now, can you pull your pants up, la?
Went to mini back and I'm eating just some biscuits.
Look where you're going. Okay, hold Mama. 1, 2, 3, jump. Way! Maybe hold Ate. Hi, girls. Nini.
Hi.
Sabi ko, hold hands. Where are you going?
Down. Mini bounce.
Binuko kasi sila, guys, from 3 to 5. So, 2 hours sila doon. And, dadalhin ko sana yung coins natin kasi pasok ko sa bangko. Ay, naku. Late naman kami, guys. After nito, matapos 5 o'clock, close na yung bank. So, hindi na kami makakapunta ng bangko. Sabi ko, next time ko na lang dalhin sa ko yun. Bigat-bigat pa naman yun, guys. Ayaw kong i-carry yun everywhere kasi sobrang bigat.
That's your hairstyle.
Oh, cute! That's nice. We'll have a look later, okay? We're already late for our mini bounce.
That's kind of
But yeah, we'll definitely check it out after, okay? Because it's nearly 3. And it starts at 3.
I'm definitely not getting a tattoo. That's like
Okay,
needle.
this way. This way.
No.
Oh, look at that, Hali. Have a look at it.
Oh, wrong color.
Wrong color.
Doesn't matter.
Hmm?
Doesn't matter.
That's good. You can have the place for yourself. Uy, you okay?
Of course, there's not that much people. It's a holidays.
So true. Everyone's away for the holiday. So nakapag-book na kami dito, guys. For 2 hours. So pag binook mo online, $19. But kung dito mo i-book, $21 na siya. Nakasave ka ng $2. Come on, keep going. You done one? Socks? Paris and business elite. Yeah, go, baby. Lini! Lini, what happened? Jump! Yeah! Jumping! Mama's taking a video. Woohoo! Wow! It's so good!
3, 2, 1, element.
Oh! Celine, careful! Whoa! You okay? Wow! It's time to go. Did you have fun, Baba?
No.
They play. They're closing naman. Huh? We've been here for 2 hours. We have to change our bum. Come on.
Mama?
Yeah, it's not peaceful. No. Where's Ati? Come on. Where's Ati? Oh, 2 hours, guys. Hindi ako nakapaglaro with them here kasi wala ako hindi ako nagdala ng medyas. Dapat pag pumasok kami, medyas. Nasa labas ako. Tinitingnan ko lang sila. But Ate Paris has been really, really good. Yeah, Ate Paris helped you. Nakalabas na kami, guys. Andito kami sa Tap and Ride. Umupo silang dalawa, guys. Dapat sana magtatap ako. $3 ata to. Iyan, $3. Tapos, before ko ginawa, pumunta muna ako sa bin. Tinapon ko yung rubbish. Pagbalik ko, nagtuyok na. Ate Paris said that she just pushed the start. And it started. But I didn't pay. How did that happen? It might not stop, Ate.
What's it going again?
It's a free ride. It's a free ride.